everyone, how are you doing? It's Lucia.turok here and welcome back to another property tour. Today I'm at Alba Square in central London and we will be touring 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom apartment. If you would like to see more, keep watching. Sutherland Apartments are located in SW1 next to Victoria Station, where you have a great connection to all central London, airports and so on, and also underground station. We are nearby Ebury Square Gardens and Alba Square, also Sloane Square, where you have all luxury dining and boutiques. This property is listed with Century 21 London Central office, and if you are looking for a property to let or to buy, contact me directly. Also, if you would like to see more about this apartment, just check 360 virtual tour. I will leave you all the details in the description box down below. Sutherland Apartments has 24-hour concierge, security, you have a lounge here and meeting room. Have a look. Communal garden terrace on 12th floor. Have a look around. We are on the 13th floor and this stylish 3-bedroom and 2-bathroom apartment has around 1,120 square feet, including balcony. We are in open plan kitchen and living area, and as you can see, it's beautiful, it's unfurnished, but it's completely modern and a new building. Look at this beautiful kitchen. It's very sleek, modern, a real loud green color. You have fitted appliances, so this is a dishwasher. You have a sink here, electric hob, oven, there is an extractor hood and also fitted fridge freezer. I really love about this apartment that it has plenty of natural light coming through the large from floor to ceiling windows and breathtaking views. So you imagine to be living here and overlooking Battersea Power Station, London Eye, the Shard, 9 Elms. Let's have a look together. What do you think, guys? Let me show you a breathtaking view overlooking London skyline. You can see Battersea Power Station, 9 Elms, the Shard, and Parliament, Big Ben, and the London Eye. Imagine to be here on the New Year's Eve and to look at the fireworks. Oh my goodness, it's such an amazing experience. What do you think, guys? And also from the balcony, you have 2 leading doors. One is to the living room and another door are leading to the principal bedroom. Let's have a look together. Throughout the whole apartment, you have wooden floors, and in the bedrooms, you have carpets. Also, you have spotlights everywhere and comfort cooling and heating. Let me show you principal bedroom. The principal bedroom has a very good size, and it's amazing to have triple glazed windows from floor to ceiling with the breathtaking views. Imagine to wake up here in the morning. And even if this apartment is unfurnished, it's great to use your own design. So imagine to put here king-size bed with 2 bedside tables, maybe beautiful painting, or maybe some picture from your favorite holiday. Here you can put TV, or if you don't like to watch TV while you are going to sleep, maybe you can put here some vanity table for your makeup. You have a built-in wardrobe with the LED lights. Perfect touch, I really love it. And then principal bedroom has ensuite bathroom. In the whole apartment you have basically neutral colors, grey tiles, you have as well rainfall shower. I really love this mirror, it's huge and you have a lot of space behind where you can put a lot of your cosmetics. And let me take you to another bedroom. This hallway has leading doors to a 2nd bedroom, 3rd bedroom and also family bathroom. Let me take you to the 2nd bedroom. So this 2nd bedroom is, I would say, probably single one, so you can basically use it as a kid's room, or maybe, I don't know, you can put here your office if you're working from home. You still have a beautiful view here to the west and you are overlooking Chelsea. Let me show you 3rd bedroom. Wow, you have amazing view overlooking Chelsea. So it's amazing to have a Juliet balcony in every bedroom. And this is probably even like a principal bedroom. It's really, really good size. It's very large. Maybe you notice that you don't have wardrobes here in the second and third bedroom. So it is basically for you to design how you would like to use this space. Maybe you would like to put your bed here, or maybe you would like to sleep there, or maybe you would like to sleep there. So it is up to your fantasy. Leave me in the comments down below how you would design this second and third bedroom. Let me show you family bathroom. Oh, nice. In the family bathroom, you have actually bathtub. You have beautiful tiles, probably everything is in neutral colors, so I really love it. You have also rainfall shower and large mirror with the LED lights, and behind those mirrors you have a lot of space for your cosmetics. So this is amazing because then you can hide all your mess. Let me show you as well an extra storage in this apartment, which is always handy. Probably I would put here even like walk-in closet. It's pretty much large, so you can use it as an extra closet or some storage. Here as well, maybe like a shoe cabinet. And then this is utility area, which is designed for your washer dryer. And then you have all comfort, cooling, heating system and your broadband here. Maybe you can put some cleaning products or your Hoover. But what's really handy is if you have a washing machine basically away from the kitchen, well, you can watch your TV without any issues. So that's pretty much everything, guys. If you're looking to rent or to buy in London, don't hesitate to contact me. Thank you very much for watching, guys. I really hope that you enjoyed this video. If you did, give it a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe for more property tours like this, and I hope that I will see you in my next one. Bye!